Ladies and gentlemen, it's Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is approximately 6:14 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened, all carrying items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be only indication that it will be safe to roam about the cabin. When doing so, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury from falling items which may have shifted and flattered during our landing.